Hi guys. I know I look weird coming to you guys like this, but I'm about to try the little wash rice water thing. And I will oof. This is my third time. I don't know how many times third time trying it. This will be my third time. What I started doing my second time is adding this deep conditioner in there. It's by Sunny Island, the Jamaican black castor oil one. So I'm gonna just do that the same way, and I'm gonna just show you guys the shedding process and everything. My hair is not combed out. I had it in braids because I did have a wig on, but yeah, I'll go through and show you guys that. Let me see if I can prop you guys up. We got y'all propped up, so I'll show you guys probably how I do this side, and then I'll come back and show you guys how I deep condition it. Well, technically what you do, whatever I saw in other videos, I know like this video has been trendy for a while, but you basically do it as a deep conditioner. And I'm going to do it to my problem areas. And as you guys know, did I tell you? Yep, I did do a video on me having some shedding, well, postpartum shedding. And I wish this was a little trendy back then when I was really going through it. And I still plan on washing my hair with these two. And this is the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil and the shampoo and the conditioner. So that's what I plan on doing as well. So I'll take that out. And let me know how proud you guys are of me for thinking about picking up my phone, or picking up something to record this video. First of all, give me a like. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, I will recommend somebody make sure you're doing this on something that you do not care about. And I did already shake this up before I start filming, but I'm doing this all over my hair, and I'm actually gonna detangle with it because my hair is already like. And then we will see if I feel a difference. This will be my first time filming it. Is it my first time filming it? Yeah, it'll be my first time filming it. And then we probably will try to do this a weekly thing because, well, I don't know if it's gonna be a weekly thing because I'm getting my hair straightened soon. That is some shedding from the back of my hair. And I have not combed my hair. I don't know the last time I combed out my hair. And I would insert a picture in there of how it looked, my other results of the shedding, because I think I sent myself those pictures. So I'll go ahead and do every section like I'm doing now. And I'll be back to show you guys what I'm going to do next after it's all in there. And hopefully I'm able to save this little shedding and I don't throw it away. But I'll show you guys the end results. Okay, so you guys saw me doing that, and so I used a plastic bag to do over my head, and I put it in Bantu knots. And then I put the plastic bag on, and I'm also gonna put towel. It's a microfiber towel on top of it, so it can make sure I'm generating heat. And I'm gonna give my baby a bath, do some things, and then I come back after I wash the hair. Actually, I do want to show you guys. This is my whole head detangling. And to remind you, I said I had braids. Remind you, I said I had braids in my hair before I did this. So that's this. It's not that bad, but yeah. And I'll show you guys the amount of shedding I have after I wash everything out of my hair. Okay, so I just got done washing my hair out of the shower, and this is the shedding I got in the shower. And I fingered the tangle both ways. This is when I was putting the rice water in my hair, and this is from the shower. And I'll show you guys how my hair look right now. So this is how my hair look right now. It's still damp, but I had dried it with a shirt. Had a shirt on my head while I finished getting ready. But yeah, I'm sorry if I'm whispering. My baby's asleep and I don't want to wake him by any means because I still have to put my hair in a ponytail. And I do want to let you guys know I was using the wild growth oil as well for my sides, because a while back I did tell you guys that I did have postpartum, and like that's why I concentrate a lot of this oil at as well. But I will I'm sorry, a lot of the water. But I will show you guys after I put my hair in a ponytail the ending, like how everything turned out. I gotta put some leave-in conditioner in my hair because this is dry. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I will talk to you guys later. Wait, have you guys subscribed yet? Don't tell me you watched the whole video and have not subscribed yet. Make sure you subscribe and hit that bell that's right next to it so you can get all my notifications. Talk to you guys later. Okay, so while putting the leave-in conditioner, this is the amount of shedding I got. Again, I only fingered to tang my hair, but yeah, I'm gonna put them all next to each other. So this is while putting in the rice water. This is after washing my hair. This is putting in the leave-in conditioner. Just wanted to show you guys that. And yeah, it's time for me to go. It's way past my bedtime. So I'll talk to you guys later. Again, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Mwah.